Right. What we have here is Roblox on the 4 hour. I was in the Discord room. Someone asked me to take a look at this chart because they spotted what they thought was a cup and handle. If we just look here, all right, let's take a look at this Roblox chart here on the 4 hour time frame. I was in a Discord room and someone asked me to take a look at it because they thought they spotted a cup and handle here. I'll go ahead and outline what they thought they spotted, which this could be a cup and handle right here. We got the cup here, and we got the handle forming here at the end. Now, this is a cup and handle. We got the cup, and we got the handle. So the way this works is, when it gets to the top of the cup, which is up here, so basically what we want price to do is retest this resistance level, which is the top of the cup. So we want to retest and break out to the upside. Right? Now when it comes to the target on the cup and handle, it is the breakout above the cup, right? So that selecting a target on the cup and handle is the base to the top of the cup, which gives us a 14-point target. From breakout at 85 to 99.42. This is our target here, should it break out. You don't want to take any trades before this. If you do, you probably want to take it around 81 or right at the base of at the ceiling here, and set a stop loss below the handle or halfway up the handle here at 80. But one of the things I did notice was that instead of a cup and handle, what I spotted was a nicely formed head and shoulders. All right. Now the head and shoulder after the breakout should come to the same size as the other shoulder, which gives us a target of 90.40, which isn't as impressive as our target up here. So if we want to take a trade, we'll make this the first target, using both patterns, the cup handle and this head and shoulders, which is a reversal pattern. They're both reversal patterns. If I was looking at this chart without those two reversal patterns, I would just look at it from a support and resistance, and we've got some support here and became resistant somewhere along the line there. Let's see. Support right here. What? Let's take the support here from this side here, which will be around. We could take it from this candle to this side, which it didn't even reach here, but you can see how it almost came to it and tapped. So from this level, if we were going to wait for the next green candle here at the daily high, gives us a good target here, almost $5. So if tomorrow opens up above or near the daily high, wait to see for the breakout and take a trade here above 80. And then this could be a multi-day swing. Now we do have earnings coming up on the 8th in 5 days. This could be going up all the way into earnings. But we're looking at this from a technical perspective, so we're not really going to be worried about that. And you can take the trade all the way into this level of resistance to complete the right shoulder. Now it could break out and head above here, which is the cup and handle target, which is a much more exciting target. Alright guys, that's it for this chart, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. I'll try to go through and answer it to the best I could. Alright, thank you.